What is a security deposit in a commercial lease? Imagine moving into a new office or retail space and wondering how landlords protect themselves. That's where a security deposit comes into play. It's a common part of commercial lease agreements, but what exactly does it mean? Let's break it down. A security deposit in a commercial lease is a sum of money paid by the tenant to the landlord at the start of the lease. It acts as a financial safety net for the landlord, covering potential risks like unpaid rent, property damage beyond normal wear and tear, or other breaches of the lease. This deposit helps ensure the landlord has funds to cover losses without immediately taking legal action. From a legal point of view, the security deposit is a risk management tool. It gives landlords peace of mind that tenants are serious and capable of fulfilling their lease obligations. For tenants, paying a security deposit shows their commitment to maintaining the property and following the lease terms. The amount of the deposit varies widely. Unlike residential leases, commercial lease security deposits are less regulated. Landlords often ask for 1 or more months' rent as a deposit, but it can be more depending on the tenant's credit history, business reputation, lease length, or if they negotiated tenant improvement allowances. For example, a landlord might requiring a deposit equal to 3 months' rent for a new business with limited credit history. The deposit is usually refundable at the end of the lease, provided the tenant has met all their obligations. This means paying rent on time, leaving the property in good condition, and not breaching any terms of the lease. The lease agreement should specify how long it takes to return the deposit after the lease ends and under what conditions it can be withheld. Tenants can sometimes negotiate alternatives to cash deposits. These include letters of credit or personal and corporate guarantees. These options provide similar security to the landlord without requiring the tenant to pay a large sum upfront. Strong or well-established tenants may also negotiate lower deposits or even deposit waivers. The lease should clearly state how the security deposit will be held, whether it will accrue interest, and the process for its return. Because commercial leases are less regulated than residential ones, these terms are primarily governed by the lease contract and state laws. Some leases include a security deposit burn-down clause. This allows tenants to reduce the deposit over time if they consistently meet lease obligations without defaults. It's a way to reward good behavior and build trust between the tenant and landlord. In summary, a security deposit in a commercial lease is a key part of the agreement. It protects the landlord from potential losses while giving tenants a way to show their reliability. When negotiated properly and clearly documented, it helps maintain a good relationship and prevents disputes during the lease term.